Josh from the Highlands has a split decision to make.
Well, he and his family are remodeling, Tom, this 1954 bungalow.
Okay.
Done a lot of work on it too.
And needs a lot more too.
Well, he's done a lot inside. You see, he's torn out all the studs. He's done all the walls over again. And when he took down the studs, his question is based on this. He wants to know where. This is his detailed drawing of the house, and he wants to know. He's already got a mini split back here, and he wants to know where should he put the second one.
This is a problem. You see, they're all different rooms.
Yeah.
Okay. The difference between the split systems, with ones with duct, one without, if you're going to have a lot of rooms and there's a lot of walls and you only have doorways, you really should go to a ducted system.
Yeah.
If you're going to use ductless, then bedrooms should each have their own heads, because everybody's going to want to be cool in there, and they're not going to get cool in a lot of rooms. So in that case, obviously, I'd put one in the big room out front. But I don't think, unless you really can move that air around, it's going to be very successful with the mini split ductless systems.
I wonder about that one he has in the back of the house, if it wouldn't be better moving that to his master, where he's going to be.
Maybe,
at night.
but you got more bedrooms, and I see bedrooms and doorways, and that's all I see. If it was open concept, is great.
Right.
Closed concept, it's still better go with the ducts. So before you spend any more money, maybe you should think about those bedrooms and maybe doing of course, it's all split systems, outside and inside, but doing some ductwork into those separate bedrooms with a central unit that might be smaller, that can be supplemented with that mini split.
All right. Well, there you go. You got a question like that? You want to be warm? You want to be cold? You want to be fixed up? Go ahead and send it to us. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom form. It's in the upper right-hand corner. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.